Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use Zangi Messenger app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, open up your app store and search up Zangi Messenger, and this is the app that will appear. You're gonna tap on get and wait for it to be installed, and once it has been installed, go ahead, tap on open, then tap on this terms and condition, check on it, tap on register, tap on continue, add in your first and last name, then tap on continue, then simply go ahead, set up a password, tap on continue again, and there you go, your account has been created, and you can share your number later with other people as well. And that's how you can simply go ahead, create an account and get into Zangi. Now you can simply try calling people, and then you can simply add people from your contacts as well, and you can go to contacts, allow the permission, and then finally you will be able to make chats, and that's how you can use it. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.